Your style sucks because your source of inspiration sucks. If you're on the internet, if you're actively using TikTok, Instagram, the #1 source of inspiration is going to be your For You page. This is the content that you're actively engaging in. You're viewing it, you're watching it, you're liking it, you're commenting on it. It is your reason why your algorithm sucks, and it is your reason why your style sucks. Because you're not watching content that you're actually interested in. How can you expect to dress better if you're seeing the same content that everybody else is seeing? If you see a cool item on a Pinterest page, do you really think you're the only person that's seen that item? No, if it's a viral piece of content, they're showing it to everybody else. Don't think you're special. Chances are your sister has seen it, your peers have seen it. Even on platforms like TikTok, it's being shown to content all around the world. The reason I have the best style on the internet is because I've gone down the darkest and deepest rabbit holes to find inspiration. My For You page, my Explore page is on a whole different level of content that you've never seen. I will go on the internet and find a scan article from 30 years ago of Source of magazine that released just to find some inspiration. If I were to hand you my phone right now, you open up my For You page on Instagram, I'm not even lying to you, it's not in English. It literally is not in English. I'm getting content from people in Singapore, people in South Korea, people in China, people in Japan, putting on fits you've never seen before. And y'all are still sitting here thinking Balenciaga or waiting on Lil Baby or Timothy Chalamet to drop a fit pic just so you can find your next source of inspiration. It's okay, because that's why I'm here, and I'm gonna give you guys some free game of how you can elevate your style. Some of you, your style will get better. And the rest of you, your style is still gonna be hot garbage just because you don't get it. If I'm seeing a live stream clip of Kai Cenat streaming, I'm just like everybody else. I'm gonna be interested and check it out, okay? After I watched it, I will deliberately click not interested in, don't recommend this to me, because I solely want the content that I'm consuming to be things that I'm interested in to continue growing. A lot of you just consume content without even realize what you're watching, and it is the reason why your fit pics get 0 likes, because your whole For You page is comedy. The only reason they're liking your fit pic is if they think it's funny and they're just laughing at your fit pics. Me, myself, if I'm scrolling and I do see a piece of fashion content, even if I don't enjoy the content, I'll still like it because I want my algorithm to understand that I'm continuously wanting more fashion content, feeding me what's cool, feeding me what's next. Meanwhile, if you go on my page and I hand you my phone, none of it is gonna be in English. Like I said, I'm seeing stuff from South Korea, Japan, Tokyo, China, fits you've never seen. In reality, I'm 2 seasons ahead because by the time you've seen it in America, it's been washed. And I'm 2 seasons ahead seeing pieces I will never even heard of. You know, sometimes you might even try to figure out what pieces is. I'm not gonna tell you how to figure that out yet. That's gonna be in a later video, but it's constantly getting the source of inspiration to understand, all right, what are other people wearing and how can I be different? Because how can you expect to dress differently if you're seeing the same stuff that everybody else is seeing? That's why you all look like clones. There's no differentiation in anything. You see this, it's like, you couldn't even tell where these pants are from. So go ahead and rewatch this video, listen to exactly what I said and how you can curate your algorithm to find better sources of inspiration, and you might have a chance for your style to level up and be better dressed.